She's on her way home.
Okay, what happened? Why was there lots of yelling and stuff?
They just had a little argument, so I'm sending her home.
So of course the words touched me and I threw my hand on him.
Right, and where'd you hit him first?
His eye.
Right in his eye. Hey, what's going on?
I'm gonna stand on the grass because the road.
Sure, yeah, absolutely. What happened, guys?
Nothing, this is my daughter. She's on her way home.
Okay, what happened? Why was there lots of yelling and stuff?
They just had a little argument, so I'm sending her home. And
Okay.
That's my grandbaby in there, and then I'm gonna have him take my car.
Is that your
Daughter.
That's your daughter? You guys had the argument?
Yeah, but we okay.
Okay, it's not a big deal.
I'm sending them home now.
Okay. Anything got physical?
This analysis examines the legal framework governing a domestic violence arrest in Charlotte County, Florida. The central question is not what happened, but whether the law was applied correctly to what happened. The relationship element comes first. Under Florida statute section 741.28, domestic violence requires a family or household member. That term includes two people who share a child in common, regardless of whether they ever married or lived together. Because the parties share a child, the encounter fell squarely within Florida's domestic violence statutes.
No, we're good.
Okay. Sounds good. What are you guys yelling about? We got multiple calls, so.
She got caught texting.
They just got caught cheating. That's what it was. And it just escalated to an argument.
All right. Hey, that's not a big deal. I'll just take your info, right? Quick statement. I'll get you guys on the way.
All right.
Sounds good?
All right, thank you.
All right. Yeah.
I got him.
Yo, you mind coming over here and talking to me? Is this your baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's this lady? You want to give him baby so I can talk to him?
362
19.
4932.
Where's your other shoe? Huh? What,
It's like, basically, like, you know, how like girlfriend boyfriend get caught cheating. She just takes
you want to sit in the grass so you're not?
She just like just take it too far. Like I caught her cheating. You know how earlier when they caught cheating. Like, so I tried to leave, not leave, but like I was trying to get my stuff so I can make her like so we can leave and stuff. But she's not. She wouldn't leave. She wouldn't leave. Boom.
So you guys live here?
No, we got a B&B here.
This is a
so I
B&B?
can't. I don't have no car. So I gotta leave when she leaves, or leave when her mom leaves. So I don't have no car. She's my transportation out here. So I was trying to leave when she leaves. She didn't want to leave. I just want to leave, go home, and be by myself. And she don't have to be here. You know what I'm saying? But she.
So what happened?
Nothing. Like we just literally just arguing over. Like she just scratching me, just stuff like that. Just arguing over like nothing. But she got caught cheating. She get mad.
Were you physical with her at all?
No, sir. I'm literally trying to move her away from me. You can ask her mother anything. I didn't touch her, nothing.
All right. Listen, you're not under arrest right now. I'm just going to read you your Miranda rights. That way you know your rights before we talk any further. Just because I see injuries on you, I see injuries on her. There's two sides to every story, so I just want you to know your rights, okay? Like I said, you're not under arrest. I just have to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Can't even call my mom, like, phone, bro.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18, okay. Like I said, I'm just getting a statement from you, that's all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
All right. Hey, you want to just talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. You okay? Do you need EMS? No? Huh? You sure you don't want EMS? They come check you out? All right. So the argument started about cheating?
I guess he woke up and saw somebody on my phone, which we both cheat. You know how they drop the relationship. I guess I was already distancing myself from him because he already kept coming by saying slick stuff. Like, after he found out, I already told him in a message that he said I take the blame. After that, he just kept coming in and out, making slick remarks, and I'm just trying to ignore him. I'm on the phone with my sister trying to ignore this man. So after that, it just take place like he wanted to go home. Like, he wanted me to drive him home. We already came out here for the Airbnb. But he wanted me to take him home. But I already said, like, we just woke up at 12. It's already hitting 1 o'clock.
Where's home?
Fort Myers. I said, I don't feel like going home.
Is that on your ID?
It probably is. Probably is Lehigh because my ID's old, but it should be Fort Myers updated now.
Okay.
But, told him I didn't want to go home.
What's your address? In Fort
Street.
Okay.
He's saying, no, you need to take me home. Telling him, call his sister, take him home. Basically, it was just back and forth like that, but not touching that. So I come out the living room, I'm sitting there putting on my baby clothes because she just got to pull my mom. We sitting on the couch, mind you, he's drinking liquor already.
Okay.
Liquor bring out the truth in people. He's drinking liquor because he can't smoke, so he had to do something else to cope his pain, I guess.
Okay.
So, he's sitting there and he was like, that's why you taste like that. That's why you've been tasting so weird. Just basically like calling me out my names, calling me a hoe, saying I'm ran through, saying I'm that, just making me feel bad about myself. So of course the words touched me and I threw my hand on him.
Right.
So my mom was trying to stop us, but I was still throwing my hands on him. So he didn't touch me at all. He was just trying to like jack me up, push me off of him type, but he didn't put his hands on me.
Okay. When you say push you off of him, did you come on to him?
Did I come on to him?
Yeah.
We was already like this,
Okay.
like this.
Well, you don't have to do that to
But
me.
that's
Okay.
how we was. So I'm trying to give you the picture.
Okay.
So we was like that. So I already threw my punch, but he grabbed and pulled my braid out my head. My shit is scalped. I already know. So that's when I was punching him because he pulled my braid out my head. So of course I'm gonna throw a punch, and I was continuing throwing punches at him. So he has a knot on his head. So that's when he just yanked me by my shirt and grabbed me like this. That's on my shirt. It's ripped.
Okay.
The governing provision is Florida Statute Section 741.29, the primary aggressor framework. When officers have probable cause to believe that 2 or more people committed an offense, they must try to identify the primary aggressor. Arrest is the preferred response only as to that primary aggressor, and not as to a person acting reasonably in self-defense. This is a critical distinction. Visible injuries on both parties do not require a dual arrest. The law directs officers to look past the injuries and determine who initiated the unlawful violence. The substantive offense is battery, under Florida Statute Section 784.03. Battery is the actual and intentional touching or striking of another person against that person's will or the intentional causing of bodily harm. A first battery is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. Verbal provocation, however cruel, is not a legal defense to battery. Words do not justify a first strike. A frequent misconception is that a victim may simply drop the charges. Florida law does not work that way. Under Florida Statute Section 741.2901, the decision to prosecute rests with the state, not the victim. A victim may decline to cooperate, but prosecutors may proceed on the evidence alone, including statements and observed injuries. This reflects a deliberate policy choice to prevent intimidation from controlling the outcome of domestic violence cases. The Fifth Amendment also appears here. Before questioning, the male subject was advised of his rights under Miranda versus Arizona. Miranda warnings are legally required only before custodial interrogation. Delivering them early is a cautious, rights-protective practice. It insulates any resulting statements from a later motion to suppress, strengthening the evidentiary record. The arrest itself is a Fourth Amendment seizure, which must be supported by probable cause. Here, probable cause was firmly established by the admission that one party struck first, corroborated by the other party's account.
And then, so my mom put us in the car and it was just time to go home. And then that's when you guys came.
Okay. You obviously have marks all over you.
Me?
Right, yeah.
Probably.
And so does he, so.
Probably because my junk is like sensitive, but you could.
Can you go ahead and, I mean, I don't want you pulling down your shirt too much, but you got a couple scratch marks there. If you could just hold that.
Just give her water.
Yep. You have anything on your hands? Can you go ahead and put your hands together for me? Like this. Turn them around. Together. Okay. What you got on your legs?
Just that welt.
This?
Yeah, I don't know.
How did you get that?
I don't know.
Can I get your other foot, please?
How long have you guys been together?
Since 9th grade.
Since 9th grade?
Yeah.
And that's your child that you guys have in
Yes,
common?
sir.
Okay.
We had many altercations, but like not like
Frequently, your volume
like,
is so low.
this is like the farthest.
All right. So you guys were here today.
Yeah.
Just what happened?
Literally, okay, I woke up, I checked the time on her phone because my phone dead.
Okay.
And I see a dude text her. I just asked her, I'm like, so we cheating? And you know how girls they get offensive. Like, blah, 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 all this and this, that. Then I try to talk to her, I'm like, boom, can you just take me home? Because I have no transportation. I want to go home.
Where's home at?
We live in the same house.
Where?
In Fort Myers.
Okay. Why you guys have Airbnb here?
Oh, because her mom's birthday.
Okay.
We staying night, couple here,
sorry.
couple nights.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I woke up, like, you text anybody? She's like, yeah.
How'd you see the text?
Oh, because my phone's dead. And I had used her phone to see what time it was.
You went through messages?
No, I didn't. I just turned the phone on, literally.
Okay.
And then it said she was texting somebody. So boom. I'm like, can you take me home? She like, no, she getting mad. I keep asking her, can you take me home? Can you take me home? She's like, no. And that's really what happened, led up to it. Because I kept asking, can you take me home? I don't want to be here. They got no transportation. She brought me here in her mom's car seat. I have no other way home. So I called my people. They couldn't come get me. So I needed somebody to take me home. I didn't want to be here at all.
Okay. So what led up to
I didn't want to do it in front of my baby either.
What led up to the physical aspect of everything?
Cause I wanted to go. I kept asking her, can you take me home? Take me home. I don't want to be here because she obviously got caught telling her to do it. I don't want to be here. So I just want to go. I don't want to be here. And then she got mad through the phone.
She threw the phone or you threw the phone?
She threw the phone.
She threw the phone?
My phone is broke, sir.
Okay. So she throws her phone. Were you guys inside or outside?
It was inside.
Inside?
Yes.
All right. So you said you tried to like leave.
She was just grabbing me, sir, just scratching me and stuff, but I was just trying to get her off me. I didn't touch her, none of that.
Okay.
I
So
swear.
you're walking away. How did she grab you? Like how?
She just grabbed me like
From the
don't
front or
call
from
me
the
out
back?
my name. Don't call me out my name.
Okay.
I'm like, bro, I just want to go home. I don't want to be here. I told you this.
Okay. So then how'd you end up with the scratches on your back and on your stomach?
I'm telling you, she was just like grabbing me. Like I'm telling you, I'm trying to push her off me because I don't want to touch a female.
Were you walking away? Were you?
I was trying to. I'm telling you,
Okay.
I do not want to touch a female.
Yeah, I'm asking these questions. I'm trying to be discreet as possible, just because I wasn't. I just needed like.
It's just crazy because
add
all
certain
of in
details
front of
to
my
know.
baby. It's
Yeah.
just like
Where was your child when this was happening?
my child was in there. Her mother was trying to control her too, but it was just too much going on.
So you're trying to walk away. She's grabbing you, trying to force you not to
but her
leave.
mother got the baby, so she can't control her. Like
And you're doing
I'm trying
evasive
to move,
maneuvers, trying to get out of it.
I'm just trying to go, sir.
Okay. Did you hit her at all?
No, sir, I did not hit her.
Okay. How did she obtain those injuries?
I don't know, sir. I'm trying to pull her off of me, sir. Like when I mean she on me, sir. I'm trying to pull her off of me. I don't want these on me. I don't want that, sir. I'm trying to pull her off of me. Like it did my baby's right here, but that's just like
Yeah. Have you guys been physical in the past?
No, not like this. We just argument, but we've never been physical like this. I just wanted to go home. That's it, bro.
Okay. All right. So you approached him and he started hitting you, swinging, or?
When I approached him, we was already arguing. I guess when
At what point did it get physical?
when he just kept calling me out my name.
He was saying that he was saying nasty stuff.
So did he just kind of piss you off and off until you came over and hit him? Where'd you hit him first?
His eye.
Right in his eye.
Right
Right
here.
in the
You
eye.
got him a knot.
Okay.
That's when he pulled my braid out.
After
and
you
it
hit
just
him?
got more because he pulled my braid out.
After you hit him.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Just hang out here, my sergeant. I'm gonna go talk to my partner. We'll go from there. All right.
Not gonna lie, officer, I don't know if I do have anger problems, but I really try my best because I'm trying to change for my daughter. But
Right.
he already know what type of buttons to push.
Right.
And I literally was trying to hold I kid you, I was trying to hold my composure until I couldn't. I couldn't.
No, I understand, right? Words will get
I
to you.
didn't mean to hit him. Like I even after
How long
I
have you
hit
guys
him,
been together for?
we've been together 5 years since freshman.
Wait, what's going on?
Just hold on here for just a sec, okay?
All right. So she said that we can talk. Just ask us. You're gonna have to get pictures somewhere else. Can you take pictures? It's 10:15.
Yeah. Can you go ahead and put your phone down for me?
Oh my
Okay.
God, are you guys taking her?
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Stop.
Why?
Both of y'all.
Why? Stop. I'm gonna tell my daddy. Bro.
Don't say that.
On the ground.
Just take it around. All right, stop it. Turn around. Turn around.
Sorry, let them do what they got to do. So let them do what they got to do. Don't get involved. Hear me? Do you hear me? Don't get involved.
Stop it. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased.
Get my other
Put your
arm.
hand.
I can't get my other arm. I can't.
Take her other arm out. Take her other arm out. She is.
It looks like he's going to go to jail.
For what?
Well, what do you think, dude?
Yes. Go ahead.
Tase her.
Here.
Please don't.
Do not resist. I'm tasing. You understand?
Please
Stop.
don't tase her.
I'm not going to. Can you go over there so we can do our job, please?
I know, but that's my
Thank you.
daughter.
I don't care.
You guys got a baby. And
Bro, my baby's right there, bro. My baby's right there, bro.
I'll get it.
So what's happening with him?
Listen, ma'am, I told you to go over there. All right?
I'm here.
I will arrest you for obstruction if you don't get away from me.
Cause you're what you told him? Now you quiet. But if I snitch, we both gonna be in, right? For sure.
All right, roll over, stand up. All right. Oh, stand up.
Baby, you gotta stand, baby.
Get up.
You got to, baby.
Stand up.
Baby.
I will
Dude,
drag you to the
Stop
car.
it. Stand up.
Stand up, baby, because they're gonna take you. Leah. Denise. Denise, stop. Denise.
Why?
Yeah.
Out my shit, car.
Get in the car.
I'm not
Get in the car.
Shut up.
Get in the car.
Nobody got supposed to. You probably
Very
domestic violence yourself.
Yep.
The use of force is governed by Graham versus Connor. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. That standard weighs the severity of the offense, any immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or evading arrest. When the subject pulled away and went to the ground, the deputies escalated only to a control hold and a verbal warning. A conducted electrical weapon was announced but never deployed. Under Graham, this graduated response was reasonable. The resistance produced a second charge under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. That offense covers the knowing, willful obstruction of a lawful arrest and is itself a first-degree misdemeanor. The lawful response to a disputed arrest is to comply and challenge it in court, not to resist physically. Combined, the two misdemeanors expose the defendant to up to 2 years in jail and $2,000 in fines. A domestic violence conviction involving intentional bodily harm also carries a mandatory minimum of 10 days under Section 741.283.
Move! I'm already here. You got not my.
Pictures. Yeah. License the car well. Hey! Move, you're gonna get another charge. Move.
Why?
Listen, stop that or you're gonna get tased. You understand me? Stop that.
Stop doing this for no reason, though.
Stop that. You're gonna get another charge.
Why?
Listen to me. You're gonna get another charge. Okay? Stop it. Just go down now. I'll do the rest. Let them know how they're gonna be disorderly so they know. Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, you got the hot
Can I
guys?
ride with you? Can I ride with you?
No.
Why, y'all?
No.
I don't want to ride with him.
Stop. Stop it.
It's rude.
Stop it. All right, stop, please. I'm asking you to just stop. You did this. We didn't do it.
I
Okay?
didn't do nothing. I told the truth.
Hey, I got him. I think I got some on my seat. Just hold it here. Let's watch them.
Can you run the subject of this on the call, please?
It's tight.
Hold on. Watch. Come back over here.
Ouch.
Come back over here.
Why?
Come back over here, woman.
In the car.
I understand. I'm going to tie your feet because you can't act like an adult and you keep kicking my car.
Well, I'm not doing that no more.
Come over here. You still have to be in the car seat. Come over here. I'm going to drag. I don't want to keep hurting you. I don't want to keep touching you. Come over here. Listen to me. I don't want to keep forcing you, all right? I don't want to keep folding you. Just come over here so I can I have to put your car, I have to put the seatbelt on.
You gotta get in the seatbelt.
Come on, dude. Let's go. Stop it.
Central 318. Negative 173.
Come over
Copy, thank you.
I need help. Just a little bit.
It's your feet.
Can you give me another shirt? I'm gonna call my dad. Mommy, can you call my dad? I want my daddy.
Give me your feet.
I want my dad. Call my dad. Okay, bring it here.
Sit back.
Now,
No.
bring it here. Bring it here. Don't listen to them. Bring it here.
All right.
Tell daddy come.
Just give-
Your seatbelt.
Go ahead. Just go to the jail. She stops. Let the jail know she's gonna be disorderly. You just put your arms out like this.
I don't got to press charges.
I'll be on traffic detail back up branch till 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Hands out like this.
Even if you don't want to do anything.
Come into the light, please. And this way. What? What's gonna be what?
I'm gonna be in paperwork.
If you choose not to be a cooperative witness,
No, I'm saying I don't want charges.
that's fine. Listen to me. It's domestic violence. Okay?
Like, we
You gotta
still
listen
gotta-
to me. Okay, ask me a
Baby,
question. I'm
that's
gonna
what-
explain it to you, bro.
I got a baby.
Listen, you ask me a question. I'm trying to explain it to you. All right. In the state of Florida, all right, we have no choice but to prosecute for domestic violence. You guys been together 5 years. You have a child to come and you currently live together. Those are all the criteria that meets for domestic violence. Okay, whether you choose to cooperate or not, right now, we have no choice but to separate you guys from the situation. She's gonna be under arrest. That at a later date, if you go to court and you don't choose to cooperate, that's on you. And you want to drop charges, that's on you. But for right now, yeah, she's gonna go to
I'm saying
jail.
I can still drop charges though.
Yes.
Okay,
You
that's
can
all.
do whatever you want later on, but not right now. Okay. Lift your hair up so I get to the floor.
She goes back.
You understand? I'm gonna give you some paperwork, whether you want to take it or not. I still have to give it to you, okay? It's your victim rights. It just has stuff for you as a victim, things you're entitled to, resources you can use, and numbers you can call. All right? Give me a second. I'm gonna grab that paperwork for you, and I'll give it to you. Do you have it right? Is your phone working now? No. Do you know a number by heart? Yeah. Okay. So when we're done with that, I'll let you use the phone to make a phone call and get picked up. Yeah, that's fine. You can go inside or whatever. Just give me 1 second. Stay out here for now.
She's license not valid. Then
Whose car is
never
this?
has a valid ID card. They're negative one.
Whose car is this?
Two.
Hers, I think.
Hers? So you're not taking it? No. This is all old? Yeah. Okay, so this is a copy of the victim's rights brochure. As I explained to you, under the state of Florida, you're considered a victim of domestic violence. All right, inside this form, there's a brochures with different questions, different answers, different numbers, different resources that you can use as a victim of domestic violence. There's a bunch of resources that you can call, websites you can go to, hotlines you can call. It's just a bunch of resources for domestic violence and what domestic violence is in the state of Florida. Any questions for me? No. Just letting you know, DCF will be notified, being that there was a minor involved in the situation. So you'll probably be hearing from them at some point. Okay. What's the mom's name? Okay. So what was your question?
I just want to know where you keep her.
Okay, so she's under arrest for domestic violence battery, okay? He didn't want to press charges. We had no choice but to press charges in the state of Florida. We grabbed a statement from him. We grabbed a statement from her. Her statement and his statement coincided. The primary aggressor is her, okay? We have to establish who was a primary aggressor, okay? And based off what she said, based off what he said, we decided she was a primary aggressor. So us as law enforcement officers have no choice but to remove one or the other from the situation, okay? So that's why we were going to take her into custody. The reason we went hands-on with her and took her to the ground and almost tased her was because she was being combative and she was resisting, okay? We didn't want to do that. I don't want to put my hands on a girl. I understand the situations are already hard as it is.
I understand. I understand.
Yeah. So she's going to be held at the Charlotte County Jail, okay?
Charlotte County?
Yes. She's going to have to be there till first appearance. They don't do first appearance on Sundays, so she's going to be there on Monday, until Monday, okay? Monday she'll see the judge. The judge will decide, what's going on. Is she going to get post bond or not? Bail. They'll call you. She'll call you from there, and then I think Charlotte County allows unlimited phone calls. So she'll get a phone call.
Can I give you her dad's number? Because my phone service is going to be off.
You have to call the jail. Just because I have no way of giving her any. I can't give her anything. She is just whatever's on her phone or her recollection. But you can always call the jail and say, hey, I have an inmate there. This name, I need her, this number, call me, and then they'll do that for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Any other questions? No? Sorry, I know it was your birthday. I'm sorry, we're in a situation, okay? All right.
Turning to the grades, the deputies receive a B+. They separated the parties, documented a primary aggressor determination, advised rights early, and limited force to a control hold. Their only meaningful errors were imprecise language, telling the family they had no choice, when the law speaks of a preferred response. The arrested party receives a D+, reflecting an admitted first strike followed by active resistance and a threat. That culpability is only partially mitigated by candor and visible remorse during the encounter. The named victim receives a C+. He was correctly identified as the victim, but his provocation and intoxication contributed to the escalation. The department receives a B for sound protocol paired with a clear opportunity for refresher training on explaining the law. Several lessons emerge from this encounter. First, injuries on both parties do not mean both go to jail. The law demands a primary aggressor analysis, not a default dual arrest. Second, statements made on camera carry enormous weight. An admission to striking first can decide the entire case. Third, a victim's wishes do not control prosecution. The choice to charge belongs to the state. Fourth, resisting a lawful arrest never improves a legal position. It only adds charges. Compliance, then court, is the sound path. Finally, officers should state the legal basis for an arrest with precision because a preferred response is not the same as no choice. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.